Hello, this is Miss Klein. I just want to go over the instructions for the personality report assignment. You should be able to see this on your Google Classroom, and you will click on the slideshow that looks like this. And once you do that, you will be able to open your own copy that you will edit. And so this is a personality report. You're basically going to be researching the personality type that you got, the results that you got on Monday, and you're going to record your findings. Now, if you don't remember, if you lost, if you can't find your 4-letter personality type, I have links where you can take another test. All right, let's go to slide 2. Slide 2 has the instructions of what you are doing on each slide. It has them listed out. So instructions, where it says 1, definitions, that means that's what you're going to be doing on the first slide that you type on, okay? If this list of instructions is not helpful for you, you can just go to the table of contents. The table of contents starts on page 3. It links you to each slide, okay? So it says definitions and links you there, and it tells you what you're supposed to do. Write out your 4 letters, what they stand for, and define the terms. So you can click and go to slide 6, and you'll see the 4 letters. So are you I or are you E? Are you S or N? Are you T or F? Are you J or P? So you will put what you are. So we'll put down here, we could put I, which means introverted. Okay, well, you should probably spell it right. And then you can define it. Now you can define it if you right click on any word, you can define it and get that information, or it might be easier just to use the definitions from one of the websites. So on slide 5, I have links to the different websites where you can get your information to fill this whole thing out. So let's start by going to this slide or this website. You know what? I don't think, okay, I'm having a problem with my computer. I can only film a tab. So I can't film me going to that website. Sorry. Also, apology, my kids are going to be coming in the background. But you can find those definitions at these 3 different websites, okay? So you can use these websites to get all the information. You don't have to search on your own, do wild Googling. You can use these 3 websites. All right, so I'm going to erase that so it doesn't mess up the template. Okay, so slide 1 is the definitions of your 4 letters. Slide 3, the strengths. What are the strengths of your personality type? How do you find that? Well, if you go to these links once again, okay? So you can find everything you need on this first website, but if you want to look at other websites, if you don't really like the first one, or if you like to compare and get information from different sources, I have 3 websites, okay? So you're going to get all your information from those 3 websites. You're going to define your 4 terms. You're going to list the strengths of your personality type. Now, I don't want you to just put, oh, these are what I think my strengths are. I want you to look at the strengths for your personality type. Weaknesses, same thing. Reflection. Okay, let's go to the reflection slide. All right, so for the reflection slide, I'm asking you just to tell me how you think these strengths and weaknesses, which you just found out, how you think they could impact you as a student. If you want an example, you can click where it says if you need an example, and you can go to my slide. Okay, so I have a slide where I wrote an example. So everything you need to complete this assignment is linked within this slideshow. Once you've done your strengths and weaknesses and reflection, you're going to list your ideal professions. Where do you think you get that information? That's right, the websites I listed. Famous people, same thing. Get that from the websites. Pictures. Now, pictures, this in the past has confused people. Just do a Google. Pause, Nori. I'm making a video for my students. I know. You can do a Google image search for your personality type, see if any like graphics come up. You could put pictures of the famous people, whatever you want. Just find some pictures to put that you think are related. There's not really a right or wrong way to do this. We're just trying to put some pictures in the slideshow. And then the last slide, I want you to tell me, do you think this is accurate? Do you think it feels like you? All right, so we're starting this on a Friday, which is a C day, which is a short day. You probably will not have enough time to finish this, so I'm gonna let you finish it the next Monday and Tuesday, but I want you to get started. If you have questions, I know I'm not there and I'm making this instruction video. If you have questions, you can email me, you can make a comment on the Google Classroom, okay? Nori wants to say hi. Say hi to my students. Okay, she doesn't want to say hi. Okay, hopefully this makes sense. If not, please send me an email, make a comment, something like that. I cannot wait to be back in the school with you, hopefully very soon. Bye, guys.